guys. So today we have just woken up and gone to the grocery store because we were completely out of water and we didn't really have much food left either. Now we found this very nice spot. So this is our spot for the night. It's very pretty here, very peaceful.
Anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain. Paris in the rain.
Good morning. We just woke up and took Wally out for a little walk, and then we figured that we have a broken window. So Raquel is trying to fix that right now. Hopefully we will be able to fix it because it's nice to have functional windows. We're just gonna make some breakfast. We're probably gonna stay here for quite a while today and then leave in the afternoon. Hi guys, so now I am making some dinner and we found these like vegan meats in the grocery store and they look really yummy, so I'm very excited. And then we have some corn and some veggies and some rice over there. This is our spot. We are very lucky to be able to have a new scenery outside our windows every day. So it's 11 o'clock and we're basically on this cliff and it's a lightning storm out.
Yeah. Hi guys, so we stopped at a friend's house here in France. I don't remember the name of the location, but we're pretty much in the countryside. So we drove down the coast and we stopped at a couple of places to do a little bit of surfing and enjoy a little bit of, you know, the beach. And then we drove back. We turned back around because I'm doing a guest spot. I'm gonna be tattooing in a studio that a friend of mine works, and so it's gonna be fun. So we are parked like right in front of his house, and he's really kind, and it's amazing people, and he's letting us, you know, hook into the grid, use the internet, you know, take showers, wash clothes, things like that, you know. So we're gonna be staying here for a week, and then when the guest spot is done, the tattooing is done, then we're heading back again down the coast of France in the direction of Spain, probably stopping at a few spots around to surf again, and then we're going to Spain. And in Spain, I'm not really sure how long we're gonna stay there. I have a lot of family there. I want to visit them all, and so I don't know how long it's gonna be, but we're actually looking forward to go to Portugal because Portugal is beautiful, it's nice spots, and I also have a lot of family there, and hopefully we can catch the ferry to go to Madeira Island and enjoy there with some friends and family as well. So looking forward to it. I just want to say right away that we're very lucky to have people that we know here, and they were very kind, very helpful.
but there's nothing better. Don't know how I ever did it all without you. My heart is about to jump out of my chest. Feelings are coming.
Hello! Hi guys, so it's this amazing, scary, dangerous storm going on, and I have to go out to unplug the van from the grid. So I don't know how this is gonna be, but Alex is gonna show you guys how it is outside right now. So wish me luck.
Yeah. You guys can probably not see him, but yeah. And the van is moving, y'all. It is actually, yeah, I knew it. It is fucking dripping in. That's how much water it is. That is all lightning. Raquello is at work. He's tattooing today. So I'm alone with Wally. Later today, I'm going to go for a drive, take a look around in the city with the fiance of our friend here that got us the guest spot. Until then, I'm just sitting here and having some breakfast, editing some videos for you guys. Wally has been out most of the morning. So we're basically parked right outside our house, right? But we have this huge area here that Wally can like just be outside and chill on. I just wanted to tell you guys that our goal is to upload like minimum once a week, maybe twice if we're lucky. Considering that we are parked right outside our friend's house, we are able to borrow their internet, so hopefully that will be powerful enough for us to upload some videos for you guys. But yeah.